Addyville East Farm in Mapleville, Rhode Island. And today is our first event called Clays for Kids, where we're going to be shooting off some clays today and raising funds for Evolutions and Psycor. They're actually a youth program that's part of the Yale Peabody Museum.
Today it's going to be a really fun day. Hopefully the weather holds up, and basically we're going to be doing what's called sporting clay shooting. So there's several stations similar to golf, and there's groups of folks that go from station to station, and each person gets a chance to shoot at clay targets that are like these clay frisbees that get launched out into the woods, over wetlands, or in the fields and things. And the goal is to try to hit the targets, which sounds easy, but it's not so much.
But as the A stretches. How'd it feel?
It was fun.
Okay, we have a shoot off. Let's go. You're gonna go in station 2. L and R. You're gonna go in 4.
Here we are at the end of our first Northeastern inaugural charity event. It was a great day. Lots of clients and affiliates with the company, so appreciate everybody that came and contributed. The team did a really awesome job setting this all up. It came off really without a hitch, which was super awesome. I think probably the best part is that there are a lot of people who came today that have never done something like this before. So it's really exciting to see people stepping up and actually really enjoying it and having a good time. So I'm really looking forward to doing this again next year. I think this is a thing that we're going to continue to do over and over again. And the fact that it's for such a good charity, it's really all about STEM education and trying to get kids involved in a future that kind of looks like ours, which is kind of cool because, we're sort of standing here in this really awesome place having all this fun. So, that's something awesome to look forward to if you get into this kind of business. It was a really great day.